Hey, what a good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
You fine?
I'm fine.
What a morning.
Good morning.
Yes, hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
What a fine morning.
It's
It's a fine morning. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is another special video over here, guys. I'm coming live and clear from beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa. To be specific, Isibani and Nyabuansi village in Kenya, Africa, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. And a fine morning as we dance, as we do everything over here. I'm with my amazing, beautiful grandma over here, and she's always charming, very nice and charming, beautiful every single day. Her skin grows smooth and it becomes soft and tender.
I'm a tender.
Say guys,
You guys.
I love you.
How are you?
I love you guys.
You guys.
Sorry. Hey, tell them hi do ma iye mulale, hi do mana wane wafikile nade, hi do ma iye mulale, hi do ma. Hey. Guys, this is my grandma. Actually, I'll really miss her. You know, sometimes I'm feeling bad for me leaving her over here, but anyway, it's just part of life. Of course, also have to go check on the other family. But before that, we are having also here a very nice Bumble. How are you? You good? You just have to be in the chain like Soothe. And also today, guys, they were doing what we call like maize shelling. But this type of maize shelling, sometimes I recommend it, but sometimes on the other hand, I'm like, you know, this type of maize shelling, it's really digital, very digital. Actually, you bring a machine nowadays, things come out very nicely, very greatly. And on the other hand, we you know, we're in a digital world, so mostly those days back we could just put maize inside a sack and we hit. We just hit. Hit Peter, walikuwa wanapiga aje mahindi zamani?
Zamani wanaweka ndani ya gunia,
wafu wanatandika like a sack like this, gunia kama hii, si ndio?
Ndio, wanashika mti
wa jembe wanashika hivi. So we used to use a specific tree, a very specific tree, or a specific heavy tree, which we regard as a djembe or a fork, how do we call this thing? Handle, actually. So we used to believe that the djembe handle, or a very heavy handle like this, can be used to hit maize. So it could be hitting like this. If you have really tried that, please comment down below and let me know in the comment section. Those days back, how do you people used to do maize? Relax, what's wrong with you, man? Relax. We used to do what we call like maize shelling, and that type of maize shelling used to be very hectic. On the other end, it used to be an exercise, you know, it used to be an exercise, but on the other hand, it used to be time consuming, and also it could take a lot of days. Sometimes somebody could feel sick. But one of the advantage of that day of heating maize is, and shelling using your hands, it's more advantageous compared to this one. Just half an hour you can shell like even 10 sacks in half an hour. You can shell like 30 sacks of maize. But that's one of the advantage of using machine. So like this one, it's machine shelled maize, so they remain this way. And the disadvantage of this is some of the maize, maybe let me say 80% goes to that and 20% remains here. Like these ones, you see, there are some of the maize that we have to come and select from inside here, so that we can check which has remained, so that we can also shell them using our bare hands. On the other hand, it comes hand in hand with time consuming. It doesn't consume time. As I told you, in 30 seconds or in 30 minutes, you have already shelled what we call like or like 10 or 15 sacks of maize. On the other hand, these cobs, are crushed. You see, like this machine crushed this one. So mostly it's like it gives you the cobs which are short, some are crushed. So, and also on the other hand it's mixed. You see, it's like milling machine. It's like a milling machine. So it mixed 50%, let me say like 90% of maize are fine, but 10% it doesn't take 100%, because the 10% sometimes remains. Like here, you see, these are the maize shells, but look, down here we have a lot of maize still we have to check. So in using hands, oh, you look at this dog. Come on, man. Bumble, what's wrong? Huh? Bumble is chasing our cat. Hi. Huh? Bumble wants to go up. What's wrong with you? Are you already enemies? Huh? Are you already enemies? Go up. Go up. Go up. Huh? Bumble is chasing this kind of cat. And the cat ran up to the soursap tree. Yeah, so I was really giving you some updates and also some advantage. Those days back we used to hit our maize, even if it's 10 sacks, there were no machines. The only machines that you used to use is your thumbs. So you could just shell using your thumbs, your thumb, until even you get some blisters like these ones on your thumb. But it used to be so advantage and very much okay compared to these machines. Nowadays we have maize shelling machines which really work more efficiently, but with me mostly I don't recommend them. But because we are in a digital world right now, we can't, every single day there's always a change. So we used to use with my grandma to harvest maize, come put them dry, and it's done when you're using hand shelling. But when you're using machine, it's just direct from land, it shells there. You come now to do what we call like to dry your maize on your own. That's one of the advantage of this maize shelling machine. So yeah guys, still we are here, and of course today we wanted to take you all around. You have to go also to check on our land, and we see how things are around. Let me check on the goats. Nowadays the goats, because since Peter is here, he's looking after our goats. The other time goats were dying, man, and I was feeling very bad. Reason being, sometimes they could come and tie them with nobody looking after them, so people could pass, maybe give them some nylons, salt nylons. But nowadays I thank God they are either smooth. We have somebody who is looking after them, and things are really moving on okay. This is our beautiful home, and this used to be my elder brother's house. He started it when he was really good at financial status, but later on when he was studying, actually he's a deacon heading to a priesthood, in a Catholic priesthood, so it's still pending over there. Don't be shocked like, hey CJ, why did you sell land over here and then you constructed a house and then you left it there? His dream, I just want to give you a quick tour of this house over here. Sometimes people say it's a haunted house, but not. It's only that as a matter of time. So his dream was, because those days back we used to have very crazy houses, mad houses, that I could ask you that can I fall maybe today or tomorrow. So the roof was perforated. You could not even look. The moment you are at night and the moon is shining, you'll think it's daylight. So, and also during daytime you'll see something, you know. So the roofs were perforated. We were sleeping with animals, you know, all boys in that room. So my brother, when he finished school, he started hustling hard, and his dream was actually to build a one big house that can take us all as a family. You know, in maybe in other countries, not only in this country Kenya, but maybe in other places also, there's people build one big house as a family, maybe a family of 6. So they build a very big house where you see there's a room for boys, there's room for girls, there's room for grandpa and grandma, there's room for our parents, there's a storage room, there's what we call like a car garage. So it's a whole one big house, rather than building houses like, okay, this is my brother, that's another brother, that's another brother, that's another brother, that's a dad, that's a grandma. But in other places, so his idea was, I think he was thinking like an American by that time, like he wanted to build one big house, one house for many. I wanna say so, one house for many, rather than building one house or so many houses around for everybody. But he wanted his dream was to build one big house. So when he changed his career, to priesthood, so he did what we call like he left it over here, in which he maybe one day he will come and finish it, or maybe one day I'll finish it also. Maybe just put on the rental and finish. But for now, I'm focusing on our other project, because this was his project, in which I can't isolate it that way, because sometimes I put people to just do some general cleaning in that house. I can't isolate it, but I just look at it as our home. And yeah, because his dream hasn't yet died. That was his dream and not my dream. So his dream was to build one big house that can take my brother with his own room, mine with my own room, my brother Mogendi with his room, my dad with his room, my grandma with his room. Maybe some days I'll just take you there and you'll see. But for now, we wanna head to our land. Then from there we wanna see what to do. I just received a call somewhere, but let's just go and check on it. See you there. Let's head, guys. We are heading. We're going to our land. We're going to check the padlock there, and then we go for our big surprise. Go get our big surprise from USA or UK. This is our machine. Hi! Our machine. So we are heading actually to our land, to our black beast over here. Our black beast. Yeah, you know, recently they have been doing what we call like cleaning. Guy is carrying 200 kgs on a motorbike. Yeah, those are two sacks of maize. You know, now it's harvesting season, and when it's harvesting season, literally people usually harvest. Some sell maybe their grains, maybe like maize. So when they buy, like when they harvest, some sell so that they can pay maybe school fees, or some take maybe sacks like goes to a certain school where maybe their kids are, so that they can literally study using that instead of paying school fees. The maize stands for school fees. So yeah, like now it's harvesting time. There's plenty of food everywhere. So let's go and see what we can do in our land. So over here, people are already harvesting, and yeah, we are moving just to our land. And when you're on my land, you just be able to check on this great forest. It's not a real forest, but I love it because it's more of indigenous trees. It's more of indigenous trees, you know. It has a lot of indigenous trees. A lot of indigenous trees. You know, these indigenous trees act as medicine. Some act as medicine, and also they are good at doing what we call like charcoal, in which mostly I usually don't recommend charcoal burning, but they are good at charcoal. And also with these indigenous trees, you can even plant other crops, and they do well where they are inside. But these other types of trees, the moment you put even maize far away, even let's say 10 meters far away, sorry, you see fire. So it's like here we have so like here we have most of the indigenous trees, but these are planted mainly on fields for commercial, and they're doing really well. As you see also in here, there are a lot of very nice great trees. So yeah, let's head downwards to see. And I'm so much happy because they did what we call like they just do some maintenance of this road. It was really crazy and very bad, but for now, this is how you see it. It's really not bad, but okay, at least it's navigable for now, at least. Hey guys, my guys, we just arrived here at our beautiful land, our gate. Oh my god, even this went off. Can't imagine. I have to come back to do the gate again. But it's okay. Let me just open it slowly, and then we see how we are moving. Because man, I was putting keys here, but at least these guys, if it's not opening up, let me just use alternative B. Don't come for me, guys, because I've passed here, and also you pass here, you'll see fire. There's some certain trees that we planted the other time. They are literally here. They're doing good. Somebody's calling me. Yeah, sorry guys, there's a call. So this is how you see our land, and those are some sand over there, and some heaps of stones literally. So this guy that I just assigned here to work, yeah, Enrico's na benyo, yeah, anabona baba ke ba kunyina haki ko ba ngosere baba ambere kere kane ke bara kunya no suko bai kamera ara babe kopo. So guys, we have some different heaps of sand, of stones, but literally right now I would love to just do what we call like maybe shift them from this side to maybe the other side, because the idea of building a house over here, we were told it can start from this side heading to the other end up to the far front over there. But yeah, so let's see, they were doing some cleaning. At least right now it's even visible that there some starts to be seen over here. And also there's this kind of tree. I've been really crying for it to grow. So right now I would just love to tell them not to trim all, but just to trim some and leave some that can grow big, because they are good at shade, at doing the shade. So yeah, every single time when I'm around here, I'll be taking you around here. And also we want to start doing maybe a little farming, starting from this side downwards. We want to start doing what we call like farming. I talked to Royal Farm Care, and he was really encouraging me about planting here something for now to just retouch the land, and instead of leaving it this way, as we are just because the moment you are doing what we call like cleaning, it takes a lot of time and money. But the moment you do what we call like maybe doing some little farming, maybe fruit trees, maybe you're putting maybe beans and other stuffs, at least it gives that mentality of making it clean every single day. So yeah, this is what you see all the way. Oh man, I missed this bench. How this is your bench, and this is how you see it, how it looks like. Sorry for we are not around every single day, but obviously when we'll be back home, we'll be really working on it. But for now, you see they are doing some slashing. There's some plants we planted here. Oh, sorry. That's why I love coming with gumboots to this land. Some stuff. So also over here we planted this kind of tree. Most people call it mother-in-law's tongue. Some call it a snake plant. Some call it I love coming with gumboots, guys. Minus gumboots here you can't survive mostly. There's some things here. Blackjack. We also had some sorry, my leg today. Why did I forgot the gumboots? There's some plants we were planting here, some fruit trees. People came and stole it. Oh my god. No. So it's better I put a gate there. Something past my yeah, so that's it. So it goes all the way. The guys are harvesting over there. They're doing a great job, but now they are not doing as I told them, because I told them they can bring animals in for now when you're not really farming. But now look, they're putting animals on top there, and yeah, so that's how it looks like. So all the way. The other time we were putting some beacons. There's some beacons that we were putting here the other time. They're so hectic, you can't even pull them. Instead of putting this, this one grows, and it grow big and huge. But when you put a beacon like that, it really helps. So it's better for them to come and do more cleaning, because these stones I want to assign people to just arrange them somewhere special, so that when also, because for now they are just just the way they are, but the moment you arrange them maybe on this side, they will be really much better compared to the way they are. Alright guys, that's at least some great updates from our land, our beautiful land, and we can check. But I'm so much happy of this tree. When I bought this land, these trees were very big. You can check the trunk, they were very, very big. But the moment they saw, it was just bare without even any fence. It had no any entrance. Everywhere was just an entrance from everywhere. So they took advantage and came and cut the tree down, and they did what we call they did charcoal burning. And this is what mostly I avoid: animals coming up on the sand, because the moment they start running up on the sand, it will just go away. So it's better they start slashing, and then we see how everything is. Okay. Yes guys, so we are literally at this end. I came from my land over there, and good thing is electricity is just over here. Very good network, road network. We have electricity available, great connectivity to SIM cards, and availability of schools, hospitals. So when even you are sick, it can't just give you hard time. Maybe coming with your own car here, any car can pass here right now, because the road has been though it's what we call like Bebemura Okopoa, though it's a Maram road, not all weather road, but it's navigable at least. And you see more people are just buying. This is a church, and people have already bought land, so that's electricity. So somebody just bought here, and he wants to do what we call like he's building a mud house, a bulletproof house, literally. So all the way, this is power connectivity. This electricity here, like 1 or 2 poles, it will be already in ready in our place, you know. So let's head to the border. I've been told that there's a parcel from literally there's a parcel from USA. Let's go check, and safi jomba uko poa, wacha ni wapi hivi. Hey, people know me here much because that my neighbor can say. Also there's a very huge oh, these people planting, they are already planting, while others are harvesting. These people are just already planting, which is very good. So yeah, let's go. There's also another new road there, but for now let's enjoy the serene environment. Let's just head, guys. Home, home. Nataka kuvuta shingapi? Ka pesa kidogo. Yeah, let's head somewhere again. Baby arrived so oh no man, yeah, we are here now. Oh, hey guys, our baby is over here because for keeping the send anonymous, I don't want to show him, I don't want to show the name. But this way from UK, baby. I don't ma iye mulale. I don't wanna wanda wapikile ngata. I don't ma iye mulale. I don't ma. Hey. That's my crazy, amazing, happy grandma. Always, guys. So yeah, let me take baby home. And then wanna see, this is a gift from UK actually, and I really appreciate your love and support for the one who have sent this. May Almighty God bless you always, always, always. I really appreciate your love and support, man, because this one, they actually gift for the upcoming or for the unborn baby, so the added preparation. So I really appreciate your love and support, and may Almighty God bless you, actually bless you again. And bless you, Peter. Unajua hii?
Yes,
hii unajua?
hapana.
Sema zawadi.
Zawadi.
Sema gift.
The gift.
Sema surprise.
Surprise.
Sema parcel.
Parcel.
From UK. From UK. From?
UK.
From? Say from.
From
UK.
UK.
Yeah, London.
London.
This is Peter, guys. Aya Peter, sawa?
Nimekudekia.
Umenidekia? Aya, asante sana. Hii sasa ndakani inakaa ndani ya nyumba, ile nyingine inakaa nje.
Oh,
hii inakaa ndani, hii inakaa nje.
Sawa.
This one is for outside and the other one is for inside. Sawa sawa Peter, asante. Peter says he has just done what you call like cleaning, because I told you for now I have no one to do cleaning over here. So when I left, he told me that he's cleaning. So it's okay. Hiya, Peter. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you so much. And in Hawi, we have this is called Post Box. This is from UK actually. You know, so I really appreciate your love and support, and may Almighty God bless you. And also we have another gift. This was the gift that I was given with a villager. This is the gift that I was given with a villager here at home. So I brought it over here. I haven't yet cooked it, and yeah, let me even have. I can have tea right now because I prepared tea and I rushed to go and check on the parcel because I was done what you call, I was given a phone call. Well, come for a gift. No, come for a parcel. So it's tea with milk. That's okay. It's so sunny outside, so that I'm hungry. That's so much okay. And guys, remember we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. And sure you subscribe, you like, you share. I really appreciate your love and support. And that would be nice. Nice. So I just do what you call, like, cook this banana, and things will be okay. But with this, we are called. I was given also a receipt. A receipt from the post office. So the name tells you. The name is Joseph Mokami. This is my address, 110 Isibania, Kenya, Africa. Postal code is 110 40 414. If you wanna be sending maybe a parcel to CJ, maybe even you can send me a GoPro. It would be better, even a drone, even a phone. You can send it to this Joseph Mokami. This is my ID for this, and then 110. Also, you can reach me out on my WhatsApp number down below the description point, and I really appreciate your love and support. So baby has arrived in Africa. You know, baby has arrived in Africa right now in the village, and I really appreciate your love and support. And meanwhile, I'll be coming with this. We are coming to unbox this in Mombasa, so we'll be unboxing with this in Mombasa. So thank you so much. Be blessed all. Road to 30,000 subscribers, and let's say bye bye, guys. Bye.